All right, hi everyone. We're here for Walkthrough Wednesday, and we're in the settlement at 20 Mile at ICI Homes' brand new model, the Aiden. It is stunning, stunning, stunning. Let's go check it out. Beautiful front porch. So nice. Beautiful place to sit. Coffee, look out. Beautiful neighborhood, gated. It's awesome. Let's go. Let's knock and see Sherry. Hi, Sherry.
Hello. Welcome to ICI's model here in the settlement.
Wow. So beautiful.
Welcome in.
So tall.
12-foot ceilings.
All right, should we head?
We can head over here. Yeah, let's start. So when you first come in, you have 2 bedrooms to your left. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, and an office. 2399 square feet. These first 2 bedrooms that you're looking at will share that bathroom.
That's wonderful.
Nice, spacious bedrooms.
All right, backing out. And over here.
So this is a 3-car garage. So it will be a wall when you first come in, but it is a 3-car tandem. So nice spacious garage for golf carts. Everyone has those here in Nocatee, right?
Oh my gosh, living the lifestyle.
Yes.
You have to have one.
You have to have one.
Okay.
Right down the hall,
Awesome.
you have your laundry room to the right.
Check it out, show Heather
Right.
what she needs to come by and see. It's really nice. Oh, and that would be a door to...
Yes, it is a storage closet.
Okay.
Mhm. And then also we are featuring our Nest systems as well.
Oh, I
Yes.
saw that earlier.
Yeah.
How cool.
Smart home system.
Smart home technology, love it.
And in here is our flex room. We've set it up as a entertainment space, but it is a nice room for an office, a playroom, a formal dining room, formal living room. Nice use of space.
Love the doors.
Corridors.
Love it.
Before we go in the kitchen, let's hit this bedroom.
Don't want to miss this.
This bedroom is awesome because it has a full bathroom in it. So if you have that teenager who never wants to come out of his room, like mine.
That is perfect. You're so right.
Yes, they have their own bathroom, or parents coming to stay with you. Again, they have their own little suite here, or just guests. You know, when they don't want to share a bathroom with other people, they have a nice little suite here with their own bathroom.
So private. They'll never want to leave.
Yes.
You'll have a hard time kicking those guests out.
Now this is my favorite part.
Oh, wow. Stunning.
These 12-foot ceilings, those nice transom windows up top that bring in all the natural light, and then this kitchen. Can you get over this kitchen?
Oh my goodness.
This is just a little taste of what ICI can do. We are a custom home builder, so you do get a chance to go to our design center and pick out your own custom options. Now standard, this community does feature a 36-inch 5-burner gas cooktop. We have upgraded the appliances in here to Bosch. That is also something you can do. Our standard is GE, but you can, if you have a favorite, you can absolutely pick your favorite in our design studio.
Wow.
Double cabinets, and then we also feature right there a custom cabinetry pantry. So standard, you would have a double French door pantry, but we have upgraded that, which is really cool. You open it up to sliders.
So cool.
Very cool.
So nice.
So just a little taste of some things that you can do in our design studio.
And this island is huge.
This island is huge.
So much space in between too. You're not feeling crowded over there.
Yes, and another popular thing, our island It's a nice dark wood, and our cabinets are white.
I love the difference.
Yes.
Really, really nice. All right, so let me get one more look over here. It's so stunning what you would be looking at. Wow. All right, I want to go outside, but I know we still have a
Let's go
master
to the
suite
master.
to go look at.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, kind of cool right here, you have a little hallway to your master.
Oh.
So instead of walking right off the gathering, you do
That's
have this
so
nice
true.
hallway.
me
So a
get
little
that.
privacy to your master bedroom.
That's nice.
Nice big bedroom, nice picture window. We are on the water here at this lot, so really nice view.
So relaxing. I can't even imagine just looking out and seeing this
So
every
awesome.
single day.
Tray ceiling in here is also a standard.
Standard, wow. Oh my goodness.
Look at that shower. Couldn't you just stand
Oh
there?
my gosh, that is huge. And there's plenty of light with the.
Yes. You got the transom window at the top of the shower.
Oh my gosh, the tile is amazing too. Got a little radio action going on.
Yes.
Look at this. Dual vanities.
Yep. Dual vanities.
Yeah.
Nice big closet.
Oh my gosh, Heather would get so excited if she's could be here for this. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Nice up,
Nice storage. Luggage rack up
Storage.
top.
huge. Stunning. Bathroom, of course.
Yes.
Toilet. All right, let's go outside.
My next favorite part.
There's a lot of really cool features of this home. Alright, let's go.
Now, all these lots are big enough for a pool. So in the settlement here, we offer all water lots, all preserve lots. My water lots are gonna be at least 140 feet deep, 140 plus. And my preserve lots, most of them are gonna be 160 feet plus deep. So you definitely have enough room for a pool if you wanna do that. Outdoor living space, as we have done. So you have this huge, nice deck, outdoor kitchen area, a little patio, fireplace around the corner.
Talk about indoor-outdoor living at its finest. This
Yes.
is like a backyard oasis. This
Go
is
ahead
amazing.
and open up these
Oh yeah.
pocket doors.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they keep going. Wow.
And bring the inside, outside.
Just leave it open. You can do both.
Yes.
Love it. Wow.
And this view is just amazing.
Let's go out here. Oh, so relaxing.
Absolutely. Wildlife. Obviously, we have a little
That's
bird
awesome.
enjoying the
You'll
view
see it
as
at
well.
Nocatee.
Yes.
Fire pit, ICI can
Yep.
do.
It's just gorgeous out here.
Really, really special. All right, Sherry, thank you so much for taking us on a tour of this home. I'm sorry
Absolutely.
Heather couldn't be here, but
We missed you, Heather.
yeah, we did, Heather. Please come. Can't wait to see you again next week. But thank you so much, Sherry, for
You're
walking us
welcome.
through. Remind us again really quick where we're at.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you as always. We are at the settlement in 20 Mile. It is a gated community. We offer a lot of elevated features here. I have 6 different floor plans. The one we just walked through is our Aiden model. So please come out and see us. I would love to take you on a tour.
Thank you. See you later. Bye.